There are some legal pages that are must-haves for any website. The privacy policy is one such page which establishes a long-lasting trust between your audience and your brand. With this page, you could inform your website visitors how exactly you are going to utilize their personal information upon collecting the data. The exact legal language that you want to use depends on your business requirements, and you can take advice from a legal advisor as to what should be included in the privacy policy page based on the laws of the country you reside in. In this video, we'll see how to design this page. If you scroll down to the bottom, this is where we placed a link to the privacy policy page, and this is what we want to build. It is simple text with some headings and paragraph text. So let's edit this page, and the first thing that we'll have here is the title bar. I'll copy it from another page as we have been doing. I'll open the About page. Copy this section and paste it here. Next, I'll add a section. Set its content width to 1200 pixels. Set its margin to 0 and padding to 60-20-60-20. Set the margin and padding on the column to 0. Alright. Let's add a text editor and copy this bit of text. Next is an H2 heading, and I'll call it Introduction. We have another text editor, and I'll copy this text into it. I'll duplicate this widget and quickly create these two paragraphs. Then we have another heading. A text editor, an H3 heading, and a text editor after that. As you can see, this page is very simple and easy to build. Keep on copying and duplicating the widgets and then having the text that you want inside them. In the interest of time, I'll pause the video here and quickly complete this page by following the exact procedure that I've just shown. Okay, so I've copied all the text. It also contains this unordered list for which I have used the UL tag, and then multiple li or list item tags, one for each list item. There are some links which you know are created using the anchor tag. The value of the href attribute is the URL this link points to, the contact page in this case. Let's reload the front end to see how the page looks. Perfect. You have some H2 and H3 headings, some paragraphs, and an unordered list. The last thing I want to do is fix the spacing around this list. If you notice carefully, its bottom margin is larger than what we have on all other widgets. Inspecting this element using Chrome DevTools will show the spacing around this UL tag. As you can see, it has a bottom margin of 1.5 em and a left margin of 3 em. This is actually the margin on all UL and OL tags. Let's fix this margin using CSS. I'll open style.css file and specify a margin of 0 on the top, right and bottom, and a left margin of 18 pixels on all UL and OL tags. Upload the file using FileZilla. And reload the page after clearing the cache. The margin has been fixed, and if you inspect this element now, you will see that it is now having the margin that we just specified. Oops, I forgot to have the correct page title. Be very careful when you copy and paste stuff. Sometimes we forget to make the necessary changes after quickly copying and pasting. Apologies for that. I'll have privacy policy as the title. Hit update and reload the page. All good. See you in the next video.